Hello Panthers, we have a lot happening on campus this week. My name is Lucas Butler and it is September 16th. Let's get you all the information you need to have fun on campus this week.
Hello Panthers and welcome back. I'm so glad that you are hopefully enjoying this week's Hispanic Heritage celebration. It is Tuesday, of course, and today we are wearing our jerseys. And of course, I'm wearing my Chivas jersey because they won the Clásico this weekend against America. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Chivas de Corazon, all day, every day. But we still have some more celebrations coming up. And of course, tomorrow on Wednesday, we are celebrating unity. So we're going to be wearing all white or wear some white clothing. On Thursday, it's Si Se Puede. So we're talking about going to college and being successful. And then on Friday, we're wearing our best Hispanic attire. Come dressed and looking good in your best Hispanic clothing. Continue to enjoy the lunchtime celebrations. Come out, have some fun, win some prizes, do some fun activities, and we will see you the rest of the week.
Hi everyone, this is Marissa from Casa Folklore Mariachi, also known as CFM. We're going to be here at your school teaching free folklorico classes for all students twice a week, so we hope to see you sign up soon. Classes will start in October.
Odyssey of the Mind is going to be starting up. The group competes in fun and creative competitions against other middle schools from the state and possibly around the world. This is a great team to join to have fun and try something new.
Remember, we have amazing clubs that are taking place on campus each week. Let's start with the art club that meets in B12 every Wednesday after school. Come to Ms.Largey after school and have some fun, learn something new, and meet new people. For more information, join the Google Classroom with the code on the screen.
We also have Mountain View Christian Club that meets after school on Wednesday in B7. Come out and meet new people, grow in your faith, and connect with the community. For more information, come to the meeting or join the Google Classroom.
Another club that's meeting during first and second lunch on Thursday is our Esports team. We are building our team for Rocket League, Mario Kart, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, Splatoon 3, and more. If you want to compete and join the program, come to the meeting on Thursday.
Attention Panthers, we need you to get to class on time. We will be starting tardy sweeps this week. Make sure you are getting to your class on time each period every day.
Remember, Panthers, to be a leader on campus and model behaviors of perseverance, responsibility, integrity, determination, and excellence. Let's have a good day, Panthers. Remember, Panther Pride, Panther Nation, Panther Proud.